Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, the 9th of July 2015. And yesterday turned out to be an interesting day in more ways than one. And after a couple of hours in the Dow, there was an announcement to say that there was a technical problem at the New York Stock Exchange and trading had been halted. So you can see it would happen just after the quiet time within there. You can see how it was quite patchy through here, and then eventually they got things sorted after Yellen had spoken, and then we see the market moving lower. So we had a potential PTI before the market actually moved lower. This only trading down to the scalp level, and as I warned yesterday, the market would be fairly quiet because of waiting for news from Yellen, and then we see the market reverse back up and then trading sideways. And then of course the market was short for 3.5 to 4 hours, and eventually the sell signals returned after Yellen spoke, with the market moving lower. There's also an issue with the trading systems in the pre-market session as well, and the only thing that's really odd is that they only have problems or technical problems when they have down days in New York, and not when everything is going fine to the upside. Just an observation: in all the times that they've had these issues, it's always been when there's a potential for big sell-offs, and what with China in the background as well. Seems slightly odd that these issues only come to light when there's a potential for a heavy down day. In the daily charts, you can see the market there moving low. You've got high volume on the sell there, and then the market reversing this morning. China is also up 5%, making up what it lost yesterday as well during today's session, so the market finding a bit of support there as well. And in the implied volatility, there's the news just before we move on. You've got trading resumes on nicely after nearly 4 hours outage. All the information's there. Whether it's true or not, I have no idea. You'll never know. But like I say, just very odd that these outages and glitches always occur during down days, or the potential for big sell-offs, which just seems slightly odd to say the least. Just before we have a look at the implied volatility, let's have a look at today's economic news and see what's going on. We've got interest rate statements from the UK, and 3:15 FOMC Brainard speaks, medium impact news item. We'll see what he has to say in order to support the market, but I would expect an update as China is finding support in their markets today, so this will add a bit of bullishness. And of course the Greek effect has left the market for the moment. We've got to wait until Sunday before we find out whether they are going to remain or go out of the monetary side of the European Union. So finally, in the implied volatility, 1450 for Tuesday. Wednesday, the implied volatility 1693. This moving up sharply and heading towards the potential 100% increase to give us a market bottom in the current phase of the market. So we've gone from around 11%, 22% would be a good area where we could expect the market to stop, but at the moment the markets aren't acting like they should do, and it doesn't help when the markets are closed for 3.5 to 4 hours either, owing to technical problems. Right, that's it from me for today. I will see you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert. As ever, thank you for your support and also for watching. See you in the next one.